morning, students. Today I am going to start your exercise 13A, and before start this exercise you have to study some basic concept about the pie chart. Okay, this pie chart represent what the value. Okay, this one, suppose North Indian food is represented by what red color. Then what is the fraction of this one? Suppose you have one circle. When you divide into two parts, then this fraction become 1 upon 2. This fraction become 1 upon 2. This you also study in class 4th also. Okay. Suppose you have to make 4 part, then this fraction become 1 upon 4, this also 1 upon 4, this also 1 upon 4, this also 1 upon 4. So all of you remember this one. And one more thing, suppose you have make already 4 part, so both are equal to 1 upon 4, and when you divide this half 1 also, then it become the half of 1 upon 4 means it become 1 upon 8. It become 1 upon 8. So when you have a one big circle, when you make 2 part, it become what 1 upon 2. When you make 4 equal part, it become 1 upon 4. And when you divide this 1 upon 4 also, it become 1 upon 8. So you have to remember all these things. These are the basic one. So this what fraction is represented by the red part? Red part represent only 1 upon 2. What fraction will be represented by the Chinese food, that is yellow part, that is 1 upon 4. And what fraction is given by the Italian food, as blue part, it is 1 upon 8, as I told you. And South Indian part, it is also 1 upon 8, because this 1 upon 4 you put it in 2 part, it become 1 upon 8, it become 1 upon 8. Suppose if you divide again this 1 upon 8 part into 2 equal parts, then it become 1 upon 16. But this type of question is not coming, only up to 1 upon 8. So full circle value means 1. When you make 2 part, it become 1 upon 2. When you make 4 part, it become 1 upon 4. When you do again divide of 1 upon 4, it become 1 upon 8. Now come on the question. Your question is that a shopkeeper sold 160 bottles. Then total value of this pie chart is what? 160. Okay. On a particular day, now look at the pie chart now showing the different cold drinks sold by him and answer the following. Okay. Total bottle are shown by the pie chart is what? 160. Okay. How many bottles Sprite did he sell? Sprite. So what fraction is given by the Sprite? It is half cover, half part, it is 1 upon 2 cover, and total is 160. Then multiply 160 by 1 upon 2. What will you get? 2 ones are 2, 2 8 is 16, 0. It means become 80 bottles. Okay, now next one, how many bottles of Pepsi? Pepsi will represent 1 upon 4 part. Then multiply 1 upon 4 by the total, always multiply with total. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 4 is 16, 0 as it is. It become 40 bottles. Now how many Coca-Cola? Coca-Cola will be 1 upon 8 represent na. Then 1 upon 8 multiply what? 1 upon 60. Then 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 0 as it is become 20 bottle. And how many bottle will Mirinda sell? Mirinda will also 1 upon 8 na. When 1 upon 8 multiply 180 is become 20 bottles. Okay. So these are the answer. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. In this type of question, you have to multiply the fraction with the total value. Always remember, multiply the given fraction with the total value. Now come this one. Read the pie chart and answer the following. Okay, this winter session red part will be liked by 76. It is the actually orange one. 52 spring season, and 32 rainy season, and 20 like summer season. Okay, this show winter season, this show spring season, yellow show rainy season, green show summer season. Now ask the question, what is the total number of people whose choice are given here? Total you have to find the value. It is 76, it is 52, it is 32, it is 20. Add all the value. When you add 52, 20, 32, 76, then what will you get? It become 180 people. What will become? 180 people. Okay. What fraction of the people like winter session? They are asking about winter session. So now, because they are not the equal part, in the previously I told you half part equal, then again equal, then again equal, and this pie chart show unequal part. So how to find the ratio? How to find the fraction, I will tell you. What fraction did the winter season like? Winter season fraction you want. So just write the winter value is what? 76. And what is the total value? 180. So when you find the fraction, how will you write? Write the upper part as a fraction 1, and in the lower part you have to write the total. So when you multiply 76 by 180, what will you get? 2 2 is 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16, and 2 9 is 18, 0 as it is. Now again you divide 2 4s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and it become 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. So your answer is 19 upon 45. Your answer is 19 upon 45. Now come on the next one, or you could buy directly also. Next one, what fraction of the people like summer season? Okay, summer season value is what? 20 and total is 180. Then cut 0 by 0, it become 2 upon 18. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, it become only 1 upon 9. How many more people like spring season than rainy? They are do the comparison between spring and rainy. So what are the spring one? Spring one 52 and rainy are 32. So do the difference 52 and 32. What is the difference? 20 people. So your answer is what? 20 people. Now come on the next one and the last question of this video. 50 children were asked which cartoon do they like. Look at the table and then label the given pie chart. Okay, you have to give in some information in the table and you have to write all this value in a pie chart. Noddy means 20, Pikachu 20, sorry, Noddy 12, Pikachu 20, Dora 12, and Pokemon 6. You have to represent this value here. Okay, which one is the maximum value? Maximum value is 20 na, and which is the maximum color? This part is maximum, so you have to write Pikachu, or in the bracket you have to write the 20 value here. Now second one is was 12. They are same. So which two color represent same? Okay, yellow and pink represent same na. So you have to write Dora here and Noddy here and write their value 12, 12. And the last one which is the least is 6. So you have to write here in the list 6 value Pokemon and write their value 6. So which value is maximum? Write in the maximum fraction, and which value is less, like in the same fraction, and which value is same, then write in the same fraction. So hope all of you have any doubt in this exercise 13A. If you have any doubt in any question, you can ask me now. Your exercise is completed. So all of you write this value in your book now. Thank you.